How would you like to get instant access to the latest and fastest list building tool? To suck in visitors' contact details and profit from them? Interested? Then consider these shocking facts. For every $1 spent, $57 is the average return on email marketing investment. Email marketing spend grows 10% year over year. 56% businesses say they plan to increase their use of email marketing in 2020. And by 2021, the number of email accounts will reach 5.8 billion. These facts truly say email marketing is your fast track to massive leads and massive income. Building a list is important because the list acts as an asset of every business. So today, in the next few minutes, we're going to help you get this tool, and learn how you can quickly and easily get your dream subscribers inside your list, and make profit from them. Introducing Listvio Magnets, an autopilot list building system which works for you 24/7, creating that cash-on-demand business you have been struggling to build. Here is a quick summary of what you are getting today. Listvio Magnets comes with 7 ready-to-go lead-generating systems which you can directly copy-paste inside your business. These different 7 niche topics are extremely appealing to the general mass, and hence it'll be easy for you to convert them into buyers. Each lead-generating system consists of 1. A ready-to-go landing squeeze page to build massive targeted lists using these proven high-quality and converting graphics. 2. An expertly written report which comes with crazy graphics that will position yourself as the leading expert in the niches you're in. 3. 7 high-quality content-driven follow-up emails that will warm your subscribers. That means, in total you're getting 49 such emails with all the done-for-you copywriting. 4. A gorgeous-looking e-cover mock-up for each lead magnet. Just add your contact details, brand name, and claim these as your own product. 5. Gorgeous-looking graphic designs which can be used anytime, anywhere you want to. These 7 autopilot list building system are completely ready to go, as is. You just need to add autoresponder to your opt-in form and affiliate links to your emails. But wait, we are not ending right here. Each lead-generating system comes with a resell rights license which gives you the authority to resell these as giveaways. Just imagine. No need to learn any skill that don't make you money. Neither you have to deal with any unreliable, expensive freelancers. Listvio Magnets will do everything you need to kickstart your business. Now, just think. From the copywriting of landing opt-in pages to the expert graphic designs, you need to spend years preparing them. And by dealing a freelancer will cost you at least $497 per copy. But Listvio Magnets lands everything to you on a silver plate. You just need to do is 1. Send the traffic to the site. 2. Give the expert report to the visitors as a giveaway. 3. Send follow-up emails to them. 4. Generate massive income. And 5. Repeat this process again and again. So how much will this cost you? Will this cost you a bomb? Well, here's the good news. I want everyone able to access to this great tool, and if you take action today, you can get immediate access to Listvio Magnets, with a massive discount of 98% at the very cheap cost you see at this page. Plus, your purchase is backed by my 100% iron solid, satisfaction money-back guarantee. That's right, you can test drive this product after your purchase. If for any reason at all, you're not satisfied with this amazing tool, you will get the refund then and there. No questions asked. You have nothing to lose except a chance to try it out for yourself. So, just scroll down and click the button below. And get instant access to Listvio Magnets today.